What is up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you wherever you are in the world. My name is Ebenezer Frimpong, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting up a Google Shopping campaign. Now, I'm not going to beat around the bush today. We're just going to hop right in, get straight to the nitty-gritty. Well, actually, I lied. Before we set up the shopping campaign, I actually want to show you something. So in the last video, we set up our Google AdWords account through a link that would give us free $100 ad credit. This is what that email will look like when you receive that $100 ad credit. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, here's your code for it. I've also seen that email in multiple different variations. The one I see the most often, it will just say Google AdWords, claim your $100 AdWords credit. So that's the email you're looking out for after you set up your AdWords account. All right, now we can get into the nitty gritty. The first thing you want to do, of course, is to go to Google AdWords. It's going to be this first link here. Sign in. This is what your Google AdWords dashboard looks like. And for this tutorial, we're actually going to set up two different campaigns, a general shopping campaign and a collection-based shopping campaign. A general shopping campaign will contain all the products from your store. A collection-based shopping campaign only contains products from certain collections. So to create a shopping campaign, you're going to go to campaigns. Click this blue plus sign, go to new campaign. Go to shopping, go to sales. And as you will see here, Google AdWords will automatically pull in your Merchant Center account because we linked that in the last video. So now Google knows where to pull your product data from. So continue. This first campaign is going to be our general shopping campaign. So general shopping campaign from Alley. And the reason why I set up general shopping campaigns is to monitor my impression count and to help me better optimize my ads going forward. There's 4 different bidding strategies here. Target return on ad spend, I never use this one. Maximize clicks, enhance CPC, and manual CPC. I also never use manual CPC. So what I do is I always use maximize clicks first. So what maximize clicks does is Google will get you the most clicks within your ad budget. And what enhanced CPC does is Google shows your ads to people who are more likely to convert, and Google will adjust your bids accordingly to get that conversion for you. You never want to start with enhanced CPC because your Google conversion tag that we installed in the last video has no data. Think of it as a Facebook pixel. It's cold. Your pixel is cold, your tag is cold, right? So you never want to start with that. You want to start with maximize clicks. And once you hit 15 conversions or more, then you can start testing with enhanced CPC. So maximize clicks is what we're going to go with. We're going to set our maximum CPC bid limit to $1. And then our average daily spend, we're going to start with $10. Always start with $10 or more, because with $10, Google gives you a dedicated account specialist who will help optimize your campaigns for you and walk you through any questions you may have and assist you. Do we want our ads to appear on the search network? No. Always uncheck this box. Select what location you want to target. United States is where we're going to go with. If you want to target multiple different locations, create multiple different campaigns and target one location per campaign. So if I wanted a general shopping campaign for Canada, I would keep the same campaign name and just do Canada. And in this, I would only target Canada, if that makes sense. But we're not doing that for this campaign. We're just going to target the United States. Save and continue. We're going to go with individual product promotions because showcase shopping campaigns they don't appear as often as the individual products. An ad group name, we're going to go with all products. And then we're going to hit save. All campaigns. Boom. Your general shopping campaign is now set up, and this campaign is in the learning stage. It will be in the learning stage for about 3 to 5 days. After you set up your campaign, do not touch it. Please, please, please do not touch your campaigns after you set them up. let it optimize, let Google optimize. Once that learning stage is over, then you can go in and start optimizing. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and set up our collection-based shopping campaign. And the setup is going to be very similar to the way we set up our general shopping campaign. So you're going to want to click this blue plus sign again, click new campaign, go to shopping, go to sales. This information stays the same, continue. And for this collection-based shopping campaign, I'm basing it on this dog collar collection. And the way I do my collections on Shopify, my collections are set up by product type. So we're gonna go back to AdWords. So dog collar shopping campaign. Dog collars. And then you're gonna click this additional settings button and go to inventory filter. Filter, advertise only products that match all of your requirements. So we're gonna go to product type, dog collars. In the store, there's only one product in the dog collar collection, but in AdWords you're seeing 28 products because Google counts each variant as a product. So I believe there's 28 different variants for this, so different sizes, colors. So that's why you're seeing 28. So if I had let's say I had multiple different dog collars in this collection, all their variants will be counted as a product in Google AdWords. So product type is dog collars, and then select your bid strategy, maximize click, $1. Daily ad budget is going to be $10. Delivery method is standard. I forgot to mention that in the first one, never use accelerated. Well, if you want to use accelerated, your ad budget could be spent all within like 2 hours, but you get your data faster. So it depends how fast you want to get your data. I always go with standard. Uncheck this, United States. Again, if you want to test different countries, one country per campaign. So all you will do is just duplicate this campaign and just change the location. Save and continue. Individual products, not the showcase. Dog collar collection. And save. All campaigns. So now we have 2 campaigns set up, a general shopping campaign and a dog collar shopping campaign. The reason why I set up a collection-based campaign is if all the products in this shopping campaign are in the same collection, same product type, Google optimizes that campaign much better than my general shopping campaign. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, make sure to follow me on all my social media. All the links are in the description. Thank you again, and see you guys next time. Gotta watch my own homies on the roster. Gotta watch, cause this the type of money get your lined up. I can't trust no